Large fry coming right up. Hey! Hey! Look what I'm in. A food truck.
Small hot dog, please.
Coming right up. Hey, you're missing a shoe. You've been hanging around Cinderella too long. Are you still hungry, Dolly? I bet you are. Here's a large hot dog.
Small French fries, please.
Small French fries coming right up. Are you still hungry, Dolly? I have a large French fry. Here they come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, I fell in the box. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Oh, there we go. That's better. A small banana, please.
One small banana coming right up.
Time to peel the banana. Whoa, what is going on?
Oh no! That's not good. 1 second. There we go. I found a cat-free banana.
Nom 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 nom. Cheesy puffs, please.
Would you like to supersize that? I knew you would. 1 extra large cheesy puffs.
Peekaboo. May I have some fruit, please?
Here's a small kiwi. I know, Dolly's still hungry, aren't you? Here's a large kiwi. Still hungry, aren't you, Dolly? Here's a watermelon. And an orange. Eat up, little Dolly. Did I hear somebody say lime?
Okay, I'm full now.
Okay, here's a grapefruit.
May I have some vegetables, please?
Sure, here's a little peas. Here's some medium peas. And here are some large peas. Thanks for playing Food Truck with me. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.